Okay, so let's go back to the construct of these shocks. It looks to me like we probably have some very significant weight savings. Have you and Rodney put these on the scale yet?
We have, and we can actually show you, if you'd like to see that. What we did find was the factory assembly weighs in at exactly 16 pounds. The full Viking assembly with mounting plate, spring, and everything else is 8. So we're saving 8 pounds per corner in the rear just by doing this swap alone.
Okay, let's go over to the scale and show that. All right, there's Suspension Geek himself.
Now it's acting up. Showing me 9 even though he's 0. That's all right.
Is it showing a different weight?
Yeah. I'm not sure why we may have to re-zero everything out. But.
Okay. Well, originally we were showing 8 and 16. Now we're showing 9 and 15.
Yeah.
Either way, it's significant. You want
7 to 8 pounds per side.
About 7 to 8 pounds per side. So, obviously, when you're talking about weight transfer, lowering that transfer from happening all along, and then
we get a double benefit by doing it this way too. Is that you spend a lot of time not only trying to control the movement of the car, but you're trying to control the weight of the car. Anything that you can get rid of for sprung or unsprung weight, reducing the weight of the car is instant horsepower. And by making your car handle better and dropping, I think we looked at it and we figured out it would be about 36 pounds. I mean, easy 36 pounds taken out of the car, you might as well throw your passenger seat out and see how much faster you can go then.